Get into a car with value. 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Chevrolet Colorado, the midsize pickup that makes your off-road adventures fun, safe, and comfortable. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, bed liner, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, electronic stability control, vehicle anti-theft system. You'll look good and feel comfortable in the Colorado. Come in for a test drive today.